Today, you'll see an exciting face-off between two top countertop water filter brands. In the blue corner, we have the Bluevua RO100 Robot, an easy-to-use countertop with glass carafe and third-party certifications. And in the red corner, it's the AquaTru Classic and NSF-certified powerhouse known for its highly efficient water usage and solid contaminant removal. So, in this video, we'll analyze them on 4 critical factors to see if they're worth the money. As always, you'll find links to exclusive discounts in the description below. Let's start with contaminant removal. Bluevua offers a 4-stage filtration and is WQA and SGS tested against NSF standards to remove PFAS, heavy metals like arsenic and fluoride. Independent tests confirm this as they successfully remove all harmful TDS. You will be glad to know that Bluevua comes with a remineralizing filter at no additional cost, which is great if you want to maintain healthy minerals in your drinking water. On the other hand, AquaTru also has 4-stage filtration and is IA PMO tested against NSF standards 42, 53, 58, and 401 to remove chlorine, PFAS, heavy metals, and microplastics. Independent tests confirm these findings, showing it can also remove dangerous VOC like chloroform. AquaTru does not come with a remineralizing filter. You can purchase one separately if you want to mineralize your drinking water. But overall, there's a tie here as both AquaTru and Bluevua offer 4 stages of filtration and are tested to remove most of the nasty stuff. Moving on to water flow rate and design. Bluevua has a slow water dispensing rate, taking around 1 minute and 19 seconds to fill a 12-ounce glass. Plus, Bluevua has a wastewater ratio of around 50%, meaning it wastes half of the input water during filtration. This could be a drawback for households looking to reduce water waste. However, it is WQA certified against NSF 372 standards for material safety. It features a borosilicate glass carafe with a half-gallon capacity, which is great for those who want to avoid plastic. However, some users mentioned that the carafe can only dispense water until it reaches half its capacity. This could lead to more frequent refills and might be inconvenient for those needing larger quantities of purified water at once. Also, being a glass container, it is prone to breaking if not handled carefully. Another downside of Bluevua is that it takes up a good amount of counter space, which can be an issue for those with small kitchens. AquaTru, in comparison, has a flow rate of 1.4 gallons per minute. With a wastewater ratio of about 15 to 25%, it significantly reduces the amount of water that goes to waste during filtration. Though AquaTru's design is entirely plastic, it's BPA-free and certified safe for materials, passing the NSF 372 certification. AquaTru's larger reservoir also allows for a continuous flow of purified water without the need for frequent refills. However, some users note that AquaTru's all-plastic construction doesn't have the premium feel of Bluevua's glass carafe. There have been complaints of leaks by some users. AquaTru also takes up significant counter space. But overall, AquaTru takes the win in this round for its high flow rate and water efficiency. Now let's look at ease of installation and maintenance. Bluevua and AquaTru are both designed for easy installation, making them convenient for users who want a plug-and-play solution. Bluevua has a digital TDS display that monitors the water quality and indicates when it's time to change filters, enabling easy maintenance. The RO membrane lasts about 24 months or about 1,000 gallons, and the rest 3 need replacing every 12 months or after processing about 530 gallons of water. The remineralizer filter is advised to be replaced every 6 months. The annual replacement cost for Bluevua's filters averages around $150, which is somewhat costly. On the other hand, AquaTru has a large display to show when the tap water tank needs to be refilled and notify users when filters need replacing. The RO filter lasts for 2 years, the VOC filter for 1 year and carbon pre-filter for 6 months, with a cost ranging from $100 to $140 annually, making it slightly more affordable than Bluevua. So there's a tie in this round, as they both have straightforward installation and easy-to-maintain design. Next up, let's dive into customer support and warranty. Bluevua offers a standard 1-year warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee. User feedback indicates that Bluevua's customer support team is responsive and helpful. AquaTru offers the same 1-year warranty and 30-day money-back guarantee, and it has built a solid reputation for its customer service. We declare a tie here again, as both filters offer similar warranties and responsive customer support. Final winner. After detailed evaluation across various categories, we declare a tie among both the opponents. If you want NSF certifications, a better flow rate, and less water wastage, AquaTru can be an excellent choice. However, if you're looking for a more aesthetically pleasing design with a glass carafe and don't mind a bit more water wastage, Bluevua can be a great option. You can check out the detailed review of Bluevua Countertop here for any doubts.